In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube channel to Wix video channel. We'll connect your YouTube channel to your Wix site using the Wix video app so your videos can appear automatically on your site. Before we start, make sure you have your YouTube channel open in a browser and you're logged into your Wix Studio editor for the correct site. First, head to your YouTube channel and copy the channel link. The easiest way is to open your channel's main page and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Be sure it's the channel URL, not a single video or a playlist link. If your channel has a custom URL, that works too. If you're unsure, look for a link that takes visitors to your channel homepage where all your videos are listed. Now, return to your Wix Studio editor. On the left panel, click App Market and search for Wix Video. This is the official Wix app designed to showcase and organize your videos. Add it to your site. When you do, an element will be placed on your page automatically, usually a video player or gallery placeholder you can move or resize later. Click on the element that was added to your site to select it. You'll see settings related to the Wix video app. From there, click Manage Videos. This opens the video dashboard where you control what content appears and how it's organized. On the left side of the dashboard, under Video Library, select Channels. Channels help you group and display content sources, including YouTube. It's a clean way to keep your site's videos organized and easy to update. At the top right, click New Channel. This opens a prompt to connect a source. Choose the option to link your YouTube channel. Now, paste your YouTube channel link into the field and click Connect. Wix will validate the link and start syncing your public videos. Depending on the size of your channel, thumbnails and details may take a moment to appear. Once connected, you'll see your channel listed and the videos will populate in the Wix video element on your page. From here, you can continue customizing at your own pace, but the connection itself is complete. And there you go. That's all you need to connect your YouTube channel to your Wix video channel. If the connection doesn't work on the first try, double-check that you used a channel URL, not an individual video. Also, make sure your videos are set to public on YouTube, since private or unlisted ones won't display. Give the sync a little time if you have many uploads. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showcasing your videos on your site.